In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to send payouts automatically via PayPal, Wise, or bank transfer. No more manual effort. If you're looking for a simple way to automate your payouts, keep watching because we've got you covered. I've tried all the popular software options out there, and I'll give you a special free trial of the software I recommend, exclusive to my viewers, which you'll find in the description below. First, let's talk about PayPal. To send payouts via PayPal automatically, you'll want to use their mass payment system or create a payment API to automate the process. For businesses, PayPal offers a payouts API that allows you to send payments in bulk directly to your recipients' PayPal accounts. To get started, you'll need a PayPal business account, and from there, you can set up automated payments using the API, either by integrating it with your website or using third-party tools that manage the connection. Just make sure to upload your payment data, including recipient email addresses and amounts, and PayPal will take care of the rest. Next, we've got Wise, formerly TransferWise. This software makes cross-border payouts super easy and affordable. To automate payouts with Wise, you can use their API as well, which allows you to send money directly to recipient bank accounts in multiple currencies. You'll need to set up a Wise business account, then you'll be able to integrate their API into your systems, or use a third-party app that connects to Wise for automating payouts. It's as simple as adding your recipient info and the amount, and Wise will take care of converting the currency if needed, with low fees and a great exchange rate. Lastly, let's talk about bank transfers. If you need to automate payouts to your employees, contractors, or clients via bank transfer, you'll likely need to use a platform like our recommended software. This software allows you to upload a batch of payments, set up recurring transfers, and automatically send bank transfers to multiple accounts at once, all within the platform. Whether you're sending domestic or international transfers, the process is streamlined and automatic. With this system, you won't need to log into each bank individually. You can handle everything from a single interface. And just to reiterate, I've tested these options, and the software we're using in this tutorial will save you time and effort, whether you're using PayPal, Wise, or bank transfers. Remember, the link to the exclusive free trial is in the description below. It's available to my viewers only, so don't miss out. Key takeaway: automating payouts saves you tons of time. With PayPal's mass payment system, Wise's API, or our recommended software for bank transfers, you can easily send payments automatically to anyone, anytime. Just make sure you choose the right software for your needs, set it up, and let it work for you. Before you go, make sure to grab your exclusive free trial through the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.